Hello everybody, this is Persian with Mahtab. Today I want to teach you the fourth brother of the series. I have taught you he, je, khe, and today the fourth brother. If you haven't seen the previous videos, return back, watch them and come and learn the fourth brother. The fourth brother is che sound, che, che. غیر آخر چه آخر چه غیر آخر comes in initial and in the middle position and چه آخر in final position. Let's see how do we write che. Che is a very beautiful sound. We start a little bit above the line, go up and a very beautiful triangle and continue on the line and three beautiful dots below. 1, 2, 3. چه غیر آخر and چه آخر. Exactly the same. We start a little bit above the line, go up, return back, come on the line and a very beautiful curve below the line and three dots below the line and in the middle of this curve. چه غیر آخر چه آخر. چه غیر آخر comes, as I said, in the initial position, like the word چشم, eye, چشم, and in the middle like پرچم, پرچم, and at the end in final position it can take the hand of the previous sound, like in the word sandwich. Sandwich is a loan word, exactly the same in Persian, but with a very trivial difference in pronunciation. Sandwich. In che took the hands of e, and in the parch this that it is alone, and because re never take the hands of the next sound. Now let's go to the table of friendship to see how to connect che with other sounds and with vowel sounds to see how to write. Che and a we will have cha. Cha like a chane we have chin in our face. See? First we write this form, then go up and return back and put the dots for che and ne, chane, chane. And we have che and a, we have cha. Cha like parcham, parcham. You write par, then write the me sound without stop to write, then return back and write the dots for che sound. Parcham. Che and u we have chu. Che and o we have cho. Che and e we have chi and chi. For chi we have the word chips. Chips. Look, how do I write? Che, then the tooth for e, then the tooth for pe, then three teeth for sin, sound. Then very beautiful dots for che, e, pe, and sin, and che, e, like the word cheshm, and che, e, che, e. Now bring your notebook. I want to give you your homework for che. Now our homework. One line write چه غیر آخر چه آخر. One line write چشم look the way I write. First write this, then 3 teeth for she, then go to left, return back and write me, and 3 dots for che, 3 dots for she. چشم. Then one line write چانه, چانه. One line write parch, parch. And the last word sandwich, the V sound that we learned, sandwich. See you and subscribe for more videos. We continue to the end of the Persian alphabets.